So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to charge your AirPod Pros and also to check the battery status and if it even is charging, because there's no obvious kind of symbol here to tell you that it's charging. So first what you have to do is just plug in your lightning charger like so. You can also use a MagSafe charger and just sit the AirPods on top of the MagSafe charger. There is a bit of a magnet kind of connection. That's another way to charge it, but let's plug in this lightning cable here like this. So you can hear it makes a beep once it's been plugged in, and the light starts off with like an orangey color, and then the light basically goes away, and it will remain like this for the duration of the charge. But the key thing is here, how can you tell if it is charging and what's the charge status? So best thing to do is to take your iPhone. You can have your iPhone there like that. And while it's plugged in, just flip open the case like so. And you'll get a notification here saying the charge status. So we can see here the case is 60%. And the actual AirPods themselves, they are at 100%. So it's plugged in here. We've got the lid open and we can see the charge status here on the actual iPhone. So I can just unplug this and we can see now it's unplugged. We can see it stopped charging there at the case, but obviously the AirPods are still in the case and charging. So this is the way we can see the charge status for the AirPod Pros. So I hope this video has been useful. Please mind the cracks that are on my iPhone. It's just on the screen protector. I do need to get a new screen protector. I might make a video showing you how to install that. But yeah, that's everything for today. So thank you very much for watching.